Viofo has been the go-to dashcam brand for many drivers and professionals who appreciate their camera's video quality, reliability, and affordability. The Viofo A139 brings some highly anticipated features that come with three physically separate cameras. The interior camera comes as a separate camera with infrared LEDs that records the passenger cabin. Most three-way dash cams come with the forward and interior-facing cameras in one unit. Having the interior camera separate from the main unit gives you more freedom on where to place the cameras and to choose the perfect angle of view. While Viofo has kept the same 5-button design on the dashcam's face, you will notice that the A139 does not come with a screen. If you're familiar with Viofo dashcams, you will know that the built-in LCD screen is a feature you find in all Viofo dashcams, from the A119 to the A129 Pro. Many people prefer using the built-in screen's convenience when setting up their dashcam or playing back videos. Without the built-in screen, you will now need to rely on the Viofo mobile app. You will also notice that the charging port is now USB-C compared with the traditional micro USB connector. USB-C is more forgiving because it is reversible, making the installation process much more manageable. The front camera sports the same 5-megapixel Sony Starbus image sensor as the A129 Plus, giving you excellent 2K QHD images in all light situations at a 140-degree field of view. However, because of the new design, the front camera is now rotatable up to 300 degrees, giving you the flexibility to mount it in a wide range of vehicles without compromising the field of view. The rear camera also comes with a Sony Starbus image sensor, giving you almost identical 1080p Full HD quality as the A129 Pro. The interior camera records in-cabin activity in 1080p Full HD. While it uses the same Sony Starbus 2-megapixel IMX291 image sensor, the fact that you're getting 6 LEDs instead of 4 suggests that you should see considerable improvements in night visibility. The exterior cameras, however, are not very impressive compared to what you would get from a modern dual-channel camera. Processing an extra video channel takes its toll on the processor, reducing quality. You will be able to make out license plates of other cars, but usually only when they are relatively close to you. Overall, the video quality of the exterior cameras is fair. Using the new Viofo 3-wire hard-wiring kit, the Viofo A139 offers 3 options under parking mode. In auto event detection, the dashcam will automatically start recording once an event is detected, saving the footage to the parking folder on the microSD. In time-lapse mode, the dashcam will continuously take snapshots at lower frame rates. The files will be saved onto the microSD card to be played back as a continuous video. Alternatively, the low bitrate mode keeps recording continuously in mini file sizes. You can also switch on buffered parking mode in the event that an impact is detected. A few seconds of footage before and after the impact will be taken so that users will receive comprehensive coverage of the entire incident. The mobile app, while being intuitive and easy to use, is also available for Android and iOS phones. In case of any errors or malfunctions, the camera will give you a spoken voice notification so that you know if it's recording properly, which means you can get an audible confirmation of setting changes, such as switching the audio recording on or off. It will also give you voice notifications should there be any problems with the camera, like a memory card failure, for example. This is definitely more intuitive than the beeping alerts on previous Viofo models. Do keep in mind that voice prompts are disabled when GPS is connected. Audio in the recordings also seems to be louder, which many users will find useful in capturing in-cabin sounds for all-around protection. For those who want to disable audio recording, you can easily do so using the microphone button on the front unit, just like how you would on other Viofo models. Installation of the front camera is the same as that of other Viofo dashcams. Simply slide the camera into the GPS-enabled mount and attach it to your front windshield. While most dashcams require you to get a separate CPL filter, the A139 comes with a CPL filter already included in the package. The cables of the A139 are completely different from those of previous Viofo dashcams. If you're upgrading from an older model, you will need to replace the wiring to both the front and rear cameras. While the front camera lens is rotatable up to 300 degrees, we do not recommend overdoing it because the warranty does not cover damages caused by over-rotation. With built-in dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, you can use the app to get real-time setup and display options with all 3 cameras and playback and upload videos. Once you've downloaded the Viofo app on your iOS or Android device, simply press the Wi-Fi button on the face of the dashcam to turn on the Wi-Fi feature. The Viofo A139 uses a USB-C power cable with a smaller, reversible connector, which is entirely different from the power cable used by other Viofo models. The A139 is more expensive than the other Viofo models, including their 4K UHD dashcam, but for drivers looking for an internal camera, it is a simple solution that covers all their needs.